curve between the viscosity and time for the time dependent flow. Time dependent flow are the two type. One is the theotropic and second is the rheopectic. This is the viscosity and this line show time. This is the curve for the theotropic fluid and this is the curve for rheopectic fluid. By analyze the graph, we can see that increasing the time, viscosity decreases for theotropic and increasing the time, viscosity increases for rheopectic fluid. So the correct answer is C. Thermoforming process is the manufacturing process in which the plastic sheets are heated to their softening temperature and form the specific shape in the mold. So you can see the example, the polystyrene coffee cup. Coffee cup is made by the polystyrene sheet. Some example of the miscible blend and immiscible blend. First, miscible blend like the PET. The blend of the PET and PBT are the miscible. Second, the blend of the polycarbonate and ABS are miscible. The blend of the PMA and PVDF are miscible. The blend of polypropylene and EPDM are miscible. The blend of the SAN and PMMA are miscible blend. These are the some example of the miscible blend. And second, some example of the immiscible blend. The blend of the polystyrene and polybutadiene are immiscible blend. The blend of the PET and polycarbonate PC are the immiscible blend. The blend of the polystyrene and polyethylene are the immiscible blend. And blend of the polypropylene and polyethylene is also miscible blend. Immiscible blend. And the blend of the polymethyl methacrylate and PAN polyacrylonitrile are the immiscible blend. And blend of the PMA and polystyrene is the immiscible blend. Blend of PET and nylon is also immiscible blend. And blend of the PET and polyvinyl alcohol also immiscible blend. Remember this some example of the immiscible and immiscible blend. For plasticizer provide the flexibility, so the increasing the quantity of the plasticizer, increasing the flexibility in the polymer. So after the removal of the plasticizer, the flexibility of the polymer is the reduced and become harder. So the correct option is loss of plasticizer. Some example of the polymer that conduct electricity. First is polyacetylene. Second is polyphenylene. Third is polypyrrole. Fourth is polyethylene. Fifth is polythiophene. These are the some polymer that conduct electricity. First, know the graph between the molecular weight of the polymer and the conversion of monomer. This graph shows the molecular weight variation with respect to the conversion in the condensation polymerization, and this graph shows the conversion variation of the molecular weight with respect to the conversion in the chain growth polymerization. We can see at low conversion of the monomer we get the higher molecular weight of the polymer by chain growth polymerization, and after some time the molecular weight of the polymer in the chain growth polymerization independent of the conversion. So after checking the option, the molecular weight does not depend on the conversion of monomer in the chain growth polymerization. So the correct answer is C. For the base solvent of the polymer, the difference of the solubility parameter of the solvent lambda 1 and the solute lambda 2 should be less than 1.7 or 2. Then the difference of the solubility parameter of the solvent and solute is less than 1.7 or 2. Then that solvent is the best. Then that solvent is the best solvent for that polymer. In given question, the solubility parameter of the polyethylene given that 16.2 megapascal का square root, and after checking the option, the solubility parameter of the toluene given that 18.3. After taking difference lambda 1 minus lambda 2 is surrounding 2.1 megapascal का root. So 2.1 is the close to the 2. So the base solvent for the polyethylene is toluene. First, order of the average molecular weight of the polymer. So first, know the graph between the molecular weight and polydispersity index. This is the PDI, polydispersity index, and this line shows the average molecular weight of polymer. Average molecular weight of polymer. So you can see this line show number average molecular weight, and here is the Z average molecular weight, here is the white average molecular weight, and here is the viscosity average molecular weight. So we can see the increasing order of mz, decreasing order of the molecular weight of the average. Z average molecular weight is the greater than white average molecular weight, then the viscosity average molecular weight, then number average molecular weight. This is the correct order of the molecular weight. So the correct option is C. In the rotational molding, the correct match is the centrifugal forces. Centrifugal forces required to rotate the cylinder. In extrusion, the tin screw, and in the reaction injection molding used the making of the polymeric foam of the polyurethane. Then the correct match is polyurethane. In the blow molding, required gas to separate the film. So use of gases. The correct option is D. The